Hi guys, welcome to this Crypto Chiefs trade analysis video where we're going to take you through 3 of the signals that we took in the premium signals group last week, just to give everybody an idea and some education and reasons why we took the trades. If you are watching on YouTube, then in the comment section below I will pin a link to our premium group if you're interested in joining, and if you're watching this on Twitter, then in the replies directly below the tweet you'll find a link again to our premium signals group. So last week we took 8 or 9 trades in total. It was a really good week of trading, some massive moves. We had 1 stop loss, which I'll cover in this, all of the rest hitting TP for like around a 90% win rate yet again. So first trade I'm going to show you here is on ASTR. And what I was looking at here was this was on the 30-minute chart, and we can see we have broken this downtrend resistance on the 30-minute chart and also flipped this key level here, which we saw acting as support throughout here, flipped to resistance here, and this was flipped again. So I was looking to trade this higher up towards like 17 cents where we had the liquidity from this wick here. And if I press the play button, we'll see how this played out. Got a really big move from the entry, like over 3% there. This did then come back to the entry, so either break even if stops were set to that level, or we also got again a move straight out of the entry zone for like another 16% if you took this the second time. The second trade I'm going to show you was our stop loss trade, and this was on Bitcoin. What I was looking at here, I gave this as a limit order just after the Monday close. So we had the Monday range form, and looking here at the hourly chart, we had just as Tuesday open started, it pumped pretty much like into Monday close and the open of Tuesday, leaving behind this area of demand here, which also was previous liquidity here, resistance in this area. So I was looking for a retest of this at some point on Tuesday or into the week. If we see how this played out, we had a massive dump on Tuesday, and this was a news event. And you know, this is why it's so important to set a stop loss. We only had like a really small stop loss on this, about 2.5% I think, because sometimes no technical analysis stands up when there's bad news in the economy. Then you know, levels don't hold. We can see how this was a solid area. Usually you'd get a bounce from this, but this just cut straight through. So a 2.5% stop loss, but saving us like 6% because this actually moved 8% down within a couple of hours. The third trade I will show you is on ARB, and this was another lower time frame trade. So this is a 15-minute chart. And I was particularly looking at this area that I've marked out here. So it was the resistance here, and you know, we've seen a couple of reactions from it on the 15-minute chart. So it was support here, drop below. This was when we got the big move down and Bitcoin was stopped. But we just flipped that level again, and I noticed that here we had 15-minute demand, 15-minute order block, which was holding for a couple of candles here. So we're starting to see strength from this demand. So I took an entry, a market entry, in anticipation of a move higher, and we can see this pumped really hard, hitting all of our take profit targets, doing within like a couple of hours over a 12% move from our entry on ARB. This actually came back, look, this is how accurate it was, came back a second time exactly on our entry and did like another 7 or 8% from there. So I hope you found this video useful, guys, and you learned something from it. And as I said, in the comment section below, you'll find a link if you are interested in joining our premium signals group.